How to set up Brother DCP T780DW ink tank printer. First, unbox the printer. Remove all packaging, materials, and protective tape. Take out the printer, power cable, and ink bottles. Place the printer on a flat surface. Step 2. Fill the ink tanks. Open the ink tank cover, insert each bottle into its matching color tank, and wait for the tanks to fill. Then close the covers. Step 3. Power on the printer. Connect the power cable, press the power button, and follow the on-screen setup prompts. The initial ink charging process may take several minutes. Step 4. Load paper. Pull out the paper tray, adjust the paper guides, and insert A4 or letter paper. Slide the tray back in. Step 5. Connect to Wi-Fi. Press Menu, go to Network, LAN, Setup Wizard. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and wait for the connection confirmation. Step 6. Install the Brother software. You can install the software from this link. Simply just run the installer, choose wireless connection, then follow the setup wizard. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.